sexy and free, like glitters raining on me. You're like a shot of pure gold. I think I'm about to explode. I can taste the tension like a cloud of smoke in the air. Now I'm breathing like I'm running 'cause you're taking me there. Don't you know? You spin me out of control.
Happy birthday to you. Ayun o. Hey, what's up, guys?
Happy birthday, AJ!
Happy birthday, AJ! Happy birthday, AJ!
Hi, AJ! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best and good luck sa studies, sa love life, and sa lahat. Love you!
Hi, AJ! Happy 18th. Yes, hindi 18. Pero matanda pa rin ako sa'yo. And, ayun, good luck sa lahat. Especially sa love life. And sa engineering life. Siyempre, mahirap yun. And, ayun, happy birthday. Happy birthday, AJ! Ayan, legal ka na at last. Ayan, good luck with everything. We wish you all the best in life and in love. Ayan, continue doing well and keep being a blessing to everyone. We love you and we're always here for you.
Parang yung sinabi sa birthday ko.
Nirecycle!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, AJ!
Hi AJ! Hi AJ! Happy 18th birthday. Belated. Belated happy 18th birthday. And yun, una sa lahat, gusto kong sabihin na sana enjoy mo tong araw na to kasi itong gabing to dahil isa to sa mga gabi na hindi mo talaga makakalimutan dahil once in a lifetime lang mag-celebrate ng debut. Mag-debut. Once in a lifetime lang mag-debut ang isang babae. And yun, sana i-treasure mo tong araw na to. And lahat ng nandito, huwag mo silang kakalimutan dahil sila yung witness sa pagiging ganap sa dalaga mo. And though mukha ka talagang 18, matagal ka nang mukhang 18. Mas mukha ka pang 18 kaysa sa akin. Kahit mas matanda ako sa'yo ng 1 year. And basta yun, ngayong 18 ka na, on your 18th birthday, you're a year older, and I hope na you're also a year better. Kasi naniniwala ako na lahat naman tayo may next level pa. So, bali ikaw, may next level pa na AJ, ako may next level pa na V. And, ayun, basta, I know you're a good person, and basta alam ko may kabubuti ka pa. Okay? And, yun nga, I wish you all the best sa lahat na aspects ng buhay mo. Sa love life, sa family, tapos sa akad, tapos sa lahat, sa health mo pala and stuff. Tapos sa akad, lalo sa akad, sana next year hindi na tayo magkita sa summer. Sana next year mag-summer na tayo sa beach. Huwag nang mag-summer sa UST, okay? Ayun lang. Gusto ko rin magpasalamat na gawa mo para sa akin. Lalo na yung mga simpleng pakikinig mo lang. Pag gusto ko lang magsalita, magreklamo, mag-rant, maglabas ng sama ng loob sa mundo, nandiyan ka lang para makinig. Lalo na nung magka-dorm pa tayo. Yun. Sorry kasi alam kong moody ako. So, minsan may mga pagkakataong dadamay ka sa pagiging moody ko. And sobrang sorry talaga. Pero, gusto ko malaman mo na hindi talaga ako ganun. Ay, hindi. Ganun ako. Ay, hindi. Basta. Yun, gusto ko malaman mo na mahal kita kahit di ako showy. Basta, tapos, gusto ko rin malaman mo na nandito lang ako para sa'yo. So, hindi ako yung closest, kahit kung hindi man ako yung unang taong lalapitan mo, gusto ko lang malaman mo na kahit ako yung pinakahuli, okay lang. Basta gusto kong malaman mo na nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Para makinig. Text mo lang ako. And, nagawan ko ng paraan yan. Para makapunta sa'yo. Okay? And yun, may God bless you always, you and your family. And this is for everything. Sobrang thank you talaga. And, ayun, happy birthday!
AJ, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya yung birthday mo and thank you sa lahat. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate AJ! We love you! Oh, kiss mo, kiss.
Kiss, kiss. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you 'cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Ooh.